Hi students, today we are starting algebraic expressions, algebraic expressions, that is chapter number 11 in 8th class mathematics. First we'll see some introduction about what is algebraic expressions. So consider some example expressions. Here we have 3 plus 8 minus 9. Here this expression which consists of only constant terms, 3 plus 8 minus 9. If we solve this, we get 11 minus 9 equal to 2. That is different here. We are not going to solve this expression. What here important it is, 3, 8, 9 all are constants. Okay. Next, if you take another expression, that is 1 by 3 xy, this consists of variables x and y and constant 1 by 3. Okay, so this is also an expression. Like this we can write expression is combination of constants and variables, and it can be sum of constants and variables. That is, for example, we can write 3x plus 5, where we have variable is x, constants are 3 and 5, and in this 3x plus 5, 3x is it is called as a term, 5 is called it as a term. Okay, 3x is a term and 5 is called as a term. So expression can be called it as, I'll write the definition of what is an expression. If you add terms, that is TERMS. So 3x is called as a term, TERM, and a constant 5 is also a term. Terms are added, are subtracted, terms are added or subtracted to form an expression, Okay, so if you add or subtract terms, then what we get is called as an expression. For example, if you take 2xy is a term, okay, 5 is a term, and x is a term, y is a term. So if you add all these, are 2x plus 5, 2xy plus 5 minus x, that is subtraction, plus y. So this complete 2xy plus 5 minus x plus y, it is called as an expression. Okay, and we can have a specific value of this expression if you consider specific value of x or y. That is for example, if you take another expression we take like 3x plus 5. So for this expression, if we consider a specific value for x equal to 2, we get the expression value 3 into 2 plus 5, that is 3 into 2 we get it as 6 plus 5, that we are going to get it as 11. Okay, so this is a specific value of the expression for a specific fixed value of x equal to 2. X is a variable here, 3 is a constant, 5 is a constant. Okay, so for example, if they give find the number of terms in the given algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, this expression is also called as algebraic expression. For example, they ask find the number of terms, find the number of terms in the following algebraic expression. In the following algebraic expressions. So they give the problem here it as 5xy square, this is, and 5xy cube minus 9x comma 3xy plus 4y minus 8. Like this they will give. So 5xy square comma it is. So 5xy square is an expression, and here we have only one term, single term here we have. Okay, in 5xy square it is an expression which consists of only one term, so it is called as monomial. It is called as monomial expression. Mono means single, one it is, so it is called as monomial expression. For example, if you observe this second one, that is 5xy cube minus 9x, which is having two terms. What are those two terms? Here we have one term, it is nothing but 5xy cube. Another term here we have is 9x. Okay, so these are the two terms here we have. So such expressions where we have two terms, such expressions are called as binomial. Bi means two, binomial expressions. Okay, it is binomial expression. Another one here we have, that is 3xy plus 4y minus 8. If you observe here, we have 3xy one term, 4y one term, and minus 8 one term. So totally here we have three terms are there. Totally three terms. 3xy is one term, 4y is one term, and minus 8 is one term. Totally three terms are there. Such expressions are called as trinomial expressions. Tri means three. So these are called as trinomial expressions. Okay. So if you have a single term like 5xy square, single term if you have, that is called as monomial expression. Monomial, single. Mono means one. And if you have 5xy cube minus 9x, where you have two terms, it is called as binomial expression, where you have two terms. And for example, if you see the third one, where we have three terms, three terms are there, 3xy plus 4y minus 8, such terms are called as trinomial expressions. Okay, so this is about types of expressions. What is an expression? Which consists of, expression is sum or difference or addition or subtraction of terms is called as an expression. And in this, what is a term? It can be a combination of a constant and a single variable, or it can be combination of 3xy, two variables and a constant, or it can be combination of x by y, or it can be x square by y, or it can be x square by 2. So these are all are called as expressions. Whenever we have the denominator as variable y, the condition, very important condition here, should be y should not be equal to 0. Then only this expression is valid. Why? Because the denominator should not be equal to 0. If the denominator is equal to 0, total term and total expression is going to become infinity. So whenever we have a variable in the denominator, that variable should not be equal to 0. X square by y here we have, so y should not be equal to 0. Okay, so here we have different terms. We have seen in this types of terms, what is a term it is called and what is an expression. Okay, so we'll see another small topic here, addition of these algebraic expressions, and we'll stop for today's class. Addition of algebraic expressions. Addition of algebraic expressions. For example, addition means adding sum of two expressions. So for example, they give add two expressions. They have given 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square. So this is one term. 5x square is one term, 3xy is one term, 2y square is one term. So overall it is an expression. 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square is an expression. This they are asking to add 5x this expression with 2y square minus xy plus 4x square. So two expressions they have given and they are asking to add these two expressions. So we can write 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square. This is one expression they have given. Another expression they have given, but not in order as the first expression. 4x square term they have given at the end, y square term they have given at the beginning. So we have to rearrange them in as the first expression. So we are writing first 4x square. We can interchange, there will be no problem. So we just interchange this. 4x square will bring as the first term, 2y square we write as the last term. Now if you add means plus, and here also plus, just adding. And here we have 5 plus 4 it is 9. Whatever the variable square we have, y 9x square, that we write. Now here plus means, don't confuse here, this minus xy and plus 3xy. So here in front of xy we have minus, in front of xy we have minus, it is nothing but 1 we can take it as. So plus 3 and minus 1, plus 3 and minus 1, we get it as plus 2. Xy we write as it is. Okay, this plus also you can erase, don't confuse, just you have to add. For that purpose I have written all the places as plus. And here we have 2 plus 2, that is 4, and y square as it is we write. So this is addition or summation of two expressions. Okay, further classes we'll see some more examples of additions and subtractions of algebraic expressions. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.